We need nerds. We need nerds badly. I mean, science is devalued. Education is devalued by a large group of the population. Yet all of these films that we see that depict our future always show how desperately we need science. And of course, it becomes an argument. Oh, it's a hoax. It's nonsense. Everything's fine. We got to worry about global cooling, not global warming, and blah, blah, blah. So the idea that we can save ourselves through science is also something of a fallacy, because it might be too late. But the simple fact is that we need as many people as we can get to get on board with the problem. And the more educated we are about our future and how to somehow make things, salvage things, let's say, make things better, change the future that we have set for ourselves, depends on understanding science better and valuing science better, and showing that we all are on the same page. And human beings are distracted easily. We have a million issues that we fight over that aren't necessarily that important. Science is important. And the science of agriculture and the science of general farming is going to be immensely important. Ranching, all of these things that we've depended on as a birthright, as part of our nature, is going to change. And science is one of the few things that's going to somehow soften the blows. But the blows could be death blows, meaning no matter how much you soften them, it might be too late. A lot of countries are poor and struggle with hunger and subsist on the very most basic foods, whereas in America, for sure, and lots of places in the world, we're accustomed to having everything. And unfortunately, a lot of what we get is very corporate, very processed. Of course, is bad. These are all basic things that a lot of people understand. We should all be growing our own food, because it might be necessary sometime in the future. And there are ways to do it. People do them in their apartments now. Hydroponics is more and more scientifically feasible. And vertical farming and LED lights, whatever you need to do this. Nerds. These are the people who understand this stuff. You need gardening nerds. You need climate nerds. And we need less of blockheads and boobs and idiots.